For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
According to a review of studies, children with COVID-19 fared better clinically than adults. Scientists have published these findings in the journal eClinical Medicine, which is a journal of The Lancet. The study performed the largest systematic review of data of children and young adults with COVID-19. This review assessed the clinical data of 7,780 individuals who were children or young adults. The researchers noted that around 1/5 of the infected pediatric population did not exhibit symptoms of COVID-19. 21% of the children had tissue injury as per their lung X-rays. Researchers found that 5.6% of the patients suffered from co-infections like flu. 3% of the 7,780 children were admitted to ICU. The study recorded only 7 deaths among the observed child patients. This data is a compilation of 131 studies and encompassed 7,780 patients who span the pediatric age spectrum. The research studied the most common symptoms of COVID-19 among children. It also analyzed the laboratory findings and X-ray scan characteristics of children with COVID-19. According to the study, the most common symptoms in children with COVID-19 is fever and cough, which is similar to adults with COVID-19. The study found the symptom of fever in 59% of the population, while cough was reported in 56% of the population. Past medical history was noted in 223 children suffering from COVID-19. Of the 223 individuals, 152 children had underlying respiratory or cardiac diseases and a compromised immune system. These statistics show us that severe forms of COVID-19 in children is a relatively rare occurrence.
Although we are hearing about severe forms of the disease in children, this is occurring in very rare circumstances.
Pediatric COVID-19 patients had a huge abnormal level of molecules. This signifies inflammation in the body. According to the scientists, a small portion of the children observed had conditions which are similar to extreme forms of COVID-19 seen in adults. One such extreme condition in children is multisystem inflammatory syndrome, which was seen in a small number of the patients observed. Children with MIS-C had a low count of lymphocytes in their blood.
COVID-positive children who didn't have the extreme form of the disease had 42% of the immune cells called lymphocytes in their blood versus 11% in children with the multisystem syndrome.
Although the review proves that children with COVID-19 have an overall better prognosis, scientists say further studies are needed to confirm the findings.